Good evening to all. I am Dr. Jayakrishnan from Trivandrum, Kerala, working as a chief consultant at KJK Hospital, Trivandrum, which is a fertility research and gynec center. Today, that's 4/6/2020, I will be focusing on fertility enhancing hysteroscopic surgeries. I will be taking you through a series of video presentations which highlights the role of hysteroscopy and how to enhance the fertility in this group of childless couples. I would like to thank ISA for such a good initiative. I would like to thank also Cydus for supporting this initiative and DocMode for providing the education platform. Thank you so much.